Om Sri Matre Nama. I am Dr. Kollur Krishnayar from Mookambika Devasthanam. Today's Panchangam. Avani Masam 19th Chingamasam 4th September 2025 Thursday. Vishwas Nama Samvalsaram Dakshinayanam Varsharado Avani Masam, that is Chingamasam, Shukla Paksham Tithi night up to 2:58 p.m. the Dwadashi, then Trayodashi. Thursday Guruvasram, Nakshatram up to night 11:22 p.m. Uttradam, then Thiruvonam. Today's Rahukalam 1:30 to 3 p.m. Yamagandam 6 to 7:30 a.m. Gulikalam 9 to 10:30 a.m. Good time 10:30 to 11:30 a.m. then 5 to 6 p.m. Today's sunrise 6 a.m. Chandrashtamam Midhuna Rashi. Shulam South. Prayachittam Jinjali oil. Shraddha Tithi Dwadashi. Today Vamana Jayanti.